Hey, what's going on? Today we're going to take a look at the Better Lunchbox. Comes in two different sizes. You have a 3-piece set, which is here, and the 4-piece set underneath. We'll get into both of them. So these are BPA free, they're leak proof, eco-friendly lunchboxes. They're basically going to last a lifetime. The lid is crystal clear. It's made out of Triton, which is a super hard plastic, but it maintains that crystal clear, and it's also shatter resistant. There's a large seal that actually goes under the lid itself. So this is how you have the leak proof and spill proof feature of this. Clips on both sides, so this is not going anywhere. You see there's a little container inside of this one that's not moving whatsoever. That's because there's actually a little notch raised there, and it's actually cut out down here. So for example, if you're going to be putting some salad dressing in here, the last thing you'd want it to do is slide all over the place. Now you see it does move like that, but when you put your lid on and it locks it down, it's not going to go anywhere, even if you flip it upside down. So that's pretty great. Each kit does include one of these, and it includes a spork. There's a little, I would say, knife edge here. It's kind of tapered, so it will definitely cut through some softer materials. You have your fork, and then there's a divot there for a spoon. So this, in my opinion, is designed for like a salad or some sort of pasta, something like that. We'll move this one out of the way, get to the bigger of the two. So here's the 4-piece set. Same leak-proof, spill-proof lid going around. Same clear plastic there. You have your dressing container, or whatever you want to call it. There's a little area here that you can put something else in. And then you have this container, which is optional to use. So this would be for like a salad, or if you want to put a sandwich in here. You know, it's a very good size. Again, it features the raised area, and then it has the notched out part here. You also get your little spork that works quite well. My wife actually has been using this one for work. She's tried a bunch of different things. We've put spaghetti sauce in here, and you see there's no staining whatsoever. It looks practically brand new. The spaghetti sauce didn't sit in there all night long, though. It was only in there for about a 4-hour period, but it washed out with soapy water. She put pasta noodles in here, and then she put a piece of bread, like a garlic roll, down in there, and it worked out well for her. She didn't taste any sort of odors or anything like that, which was pretty nice, because some of the other ones we have tested, they're just not that great. This is microwave safe as well. Since she took the pasta, she just simply took this lid off. She didn't completely remove it, didn't want to have any splatter, but she floated it, took this lid off for the pasta, left the roll there, threw it in the microwave for about 2 minutes or so, and it worked just perfectly fine. Heated evenly, it didn't warp at all or nothing like that. So the construction is really great, and you don't have to worry about this kind of smelling in the microwave, stuff like that. You know, it's definitely a really great solution. The 4-piece set is 11 by 6 3/4, and the 3-piece set is a little bit smaller. I don't know the exact measurements on that, but I know it has worked quite well for salads on the smaller one. Let's see if I can pull up some measurements. 3-piece is actually 10 inches by 5 7/8. So it's still a really good size, whatever you're going to be doing with it. I really recommend these lunch boxes because they are eco-friendly. They look really cool, great color combination on them, and a lot of the other solutions that are out there, they just don't work. This is really nice. It features that Triton plastic, so you're not going to have to worry about this cracking, putting a ton of pressure on it, and there's no problem. If you have any questions on either one of the Better lunch boxes, either the 3-piece set or 4-piece set, feel free to pop it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. I want to thank ShopCause for sending out the sample of both of these. Definitely something that's going to get a lot of use in the household here. Thanks for tuning in. See you around for the next review.